few things related to the culture technique. So microbial culture is a method of multiplying microbial organisms by letting them reproduce in predetermined culture media under controlled laboratory conditions. Microbial cultures are used to determine the type of organism. Its abundance in the sample can be detected. It is one of the primary diagnostic method of microbiology and used as a tool to determine the cause of infectious disease by letting the agent multiply in predetermined medium. So, what is microbial culture and what for it is important? These things we have just discussed here. We can say culture of microbes. It refers to selectively growing a specific kind of microorganism in a lab. Microbial cultures are foundational and basic diagnostic method. You can say basic diagnostic method used extensively as a research tool in molecular biology. It is often essential to isolate pure culture of microorganisms. A pure culture, it is also called as a axenic culture. Pure culture is a population of cells or multicellular organisms growing in the absence of other species. A pure culture may originate from the single cell or single organism, in which case the cells are genetic clones of one another. Means cells are of same type, true to type progeny. For microbial culture, medium is necessary, and this medium, if one want to gellify the medium, then gelling agent like agar, it is used. Microbial cultures can be grown in petri dishes of various sizes, and in such petri dishes, thin layer of agar based growth medium is poured in it, and such petri dishes they are used for the pure culture technique. Once growth medium in the petri dish is inoculated with desired microbe, for example bacteria, such plates are incubated at suitable temperature for their multiplication on the selected media. So media are specific for fungi, specific for bacteria, or even we can say specific for particular genus of fungus or bacterium. So incubation temperature, it depends on what type of organism or which organism we are using for the culture, for pure culture. After basic ideas regarding why pure culture should be done, we will have a look at the media or medium singular, media plural, types of media and how medium is prepared. Just a overlook we can say. So nutrients are necessary for the microbial growth, and these nutrients they are supplied by either solid or liquid culture medium. Standard solid medium is nutrient agar, a gelatinous substance derived from seaweed or some alga. The basic liquid medium is nutrient broth, which is typically a mixture of water, meat extract, peptone, and sodium chloride. So in listing we will do some other types of media like Luria broth base, which is used for cultivation of bacteria in the study of molecular biology. Luria agar base is the another medium used for cultivation of bacteria for the same purpose, that is in molecular biology studies. Nutrient agar is another type of medium. So it is a general purpose culture medium, and nutrient broth is another medium. This is also general culture purpose medium. Potato dextrose agar is another medium used for cultivation of bacteria, fungi, yeast, and molds. Potato dextrose broth is used for cultivation of bacteria, fungi, molds, and yeast. So basic steps for preparing these media, we will go through such basic steps. So generally applied for preparation of all these media. So first thing, suspend appropriate amount of powder in 1 liter of distilled water. Adjust the pH of this mixture to 7, and for this one can use 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide. Then dissolve agar medium by heating to a boil. Firstly, agar medium should be taken in the beaker in a proper amount of water, and it should be boiled so that it gets dissolved, and such dissolved agar is then mixed in the conical flask, which previously is having the mixture of the nutrients and adjusted pH. Then sterilize the medium at 15 lb pressure, where 121 degrees Celsius temperature is created, and under such situation for 15 to 20 minutes one has to sterilize the medium. This is the ideal condition at which the sterilization, steam sterilization is done. Once again I will tell, 15 lb pressure, at 15 lb pressure and at 121 degrees Celsius temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes is a standard condition given for sterilization of the medium and other glasswares even. After removing media from autoclave, cool it for 5 to 8 minutes. and then pour the media in plates or tubes. So in terms of temperature, the medium is cooled just about 55 to or 52 to 48 degree Celsius up to, so that this is a proper temperature of the medium for handling the conical flask and its pouring into the petri plate or the desired container, whatever it may be. So this is what we have seen related with the media types and how basic steps related with the media preparation.